Hello everyone! Start off by cutting out the base of a cup and then add multiple lines at the back. Add a straw through a hole and then add some straws on either end. Make these wheels and then connect it to a bicycle. Take some cardboard paper, add glue to one of the sides, make this particular shape out of it using many pieces of paper. Then use a bottle or a glue cap and then stick it together using a straw. Now you should have a car. Attach wheels to the bottom using some bottle caps. Next, take multiple sticks of the same size and then stick it all together. On one of the sides, add an extra layer to it. Attach it as such. Make wheels out of 2 bottle caps. Stick it all together to make this cart. Next, take multiple straws and then stick them all together as such. Make a V shape out of it. Add 2 more straws at the top. Join it together, make a sword. Add a thread to one end. Next, take a bottle and then put a hole through both the sides as such. Add a straw through it. Once you have pulled it through, bend the straw. Bend it in this way. Add another straw to the other end, decorate the bottle. Add some soap and water to it. Take some cardboard paper and then cut it out into 1:5.5:5 centimeters accordingly. Color it in different shades as such. Make a hole in the center, put a stick through. Using a compass or any sharp pointed object, make a hole in bottle. Pull a thread through as such. Tie it to the stick, use a glue gun. Now put it down. Twist it as much as possible. In order to remove it, pull the thread. Next, take a bottle and then cut it up into multiple pieces as such. Make these leaf shapes out of it. Add glue to one of the ends and stick them all around. Add some decorations as well at the top. Add green thread at the bottom. Decorate it like a tree. Draw the shape of a frog using a black marker. Color it in as you please. You have chosen to do it in pink and green accordingly. Cut 2 of these out and then stick them on cardboard paper. Cut it out accordingly. Add tape on both the ends. Flip the sheet now. Add tape once more. Take 2 rubber bands. Join them together as such. Take a bottle, cut it, cut the top part of it and then make multiple slits in it. Flatten it using your fingers and then curve the edges by cutting it. Twist the cap accordingly, make a hole through it and then add a stick and a rubber band through. Add a stick to the other end as well. Add the top now. Twist it and then play with it accordingly. Take a bottle and then add a balloon through it. Make a hole at the base. Fill the balloon with some water after blowing it and then put on the bottle cap. Make a hole in it. Take the base of a bottle and then make multiple slips at the bottom. Using the slitted portions, bend it and then curve it. You may use a lighter to do this. Taking the bottle cap, add this little decoration to it. Put the decoration through the rest of the bottle cap and then add some lights. Thank you for watching.